to the circle given by x square plus y square minus 6x plus 8y minus 144 equal to 0. At 8 comma 8 normal at 8 comma 8 meets the circle again. So we want this point Q. So center of the circle is 3 comma minus 4. Normal line is always passing through the center of the circle. So it is nothing but the diameter of the circle. So C is the midpoint of PQ. So C equal to P plus Q by 2. That implies P plus Q equal to P plus Q equal to 2C. We want Q value 2C minus P. 2 into C equal to 6 comma minus 8. P value is 8 comma 8. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. Minus 8 equal to minus 16. Next, given lines x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus ky plus 7 equal to 0. Cuts the coordinate axis in concentric points. Then k value. So this is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Concentric points. So A1, A2 equal to B1, B2. A1, A2 value is 1 into 3. B1 into B2 value is minus 2 into k. Therefore, minus 2k equal to 3. K value is minus 3 by 2. Next, circle with center 4 comma 1 and the tangent equation is 3x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So, by verification, in the third option given x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. By verification, we get the third option is the right answer. Why the center of the circle is 4 comma 1 given center is 4 comma 1. Otherwise, calculate R value. R is nothing but distance from center to the line. So D equal to R equal to modulus of 3 into 4 plus 4 into 1 minus 1 by under root 9 plus 16. 12 plus 4 equal to 16. 16 minus 1, 15 by 5 equal to 3. So center and radius. Therefore, x minus 4 whole square, y minus 1 whole square equal to 3 square, or x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y 16 plus 1 17. 17 minus 9 equal to plus 8 equal to 0. Next, given ratio of the length of the tangents from P to S and S dash are in the ratio 2:3. So length of the tangent S11 is to S dash 11. Ratio of the length of the square, length of the tangents and their squares are in the ratio 2:3. Then given the locus of P is a circle. So root 2 square cancel. Root 2 square cancel. S11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 2x1 minus 4y1 minus 2 by x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 plus 2y1 minus 44 equal to 2 by 3. By cross multiplication, 3x1 square plus 3y1 square plus 6x1 minus 12y1 minus 6 equal to 2x1 square plus 2y1 square minus 8x1 plus 4y1 minus 88. So 3x square minus 2x square equal to x square. 3y square minus 2y square equal to y square. 6x1 plus 8x1 total 14x1 minus 12y1 x. Next 12y1 minus 4y1 equal to minus 16y1 minus 6 plus 88 equal to plus 70
82 sir.
82 equal 0. So this represents a circle. He wants center of this circle. So center equal to minus 7 comma 8 minus 7 comma 8. Next bit number 27. He wants equation of the tangent in the slope form. While given slope m is 2. So equation of the tangent in the slope form is y equal to mx plus or minus r into under root 1 plus m square given m value 2 plus or minus r value 2 plus under root 2 into under root 1 plus 4. So finally we get y equal to 2x plus or minus 2 into root 5. Next, bit number 35. He wants where this circle touches the coordinate axis. So x square plus y square minus 3x minus 3y plus 9 by 4 equal to 0. So g value is minus 3 by 2. F value is also equal to minus 3 by 2. C value is 9 by 4. So g square value is 9 by 4. That is nothing but c value. So g square equal to c. Then the circle touches the x-axis, and also f square value is also equal to 9 by 4. That is also equal to c. So g square equal to f square equal to c. That means this given circle touches the both axis, x-axis and also y-axis. Given circle is this one. G value is 2, F value is 3, C value is 9. Next, center C equal to minus D minus F, that equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. R value, radius R, under root G square plus F square minus C, that equal to 2. He wants a pole. Given line is Lx plus My plus n equal 0. He wants a pole. Pole formula is minus G plus minus Lr square by capital N. What is capital N? First calculate capital N. Capital N is nothing but L at C. L at C. That means substitute the center in the line equation. This value is denoted by capital N. So 3 into center plus 70. So L at C. Substitute the center in the line equation where x value is -2, y value is -3. Finally, we get -6, -12 plus 17. So -80 plus 70. 3 into -2 plus 5 into -3 plus 17 -6 -15 plus 17 equal to -4. 4 formula whole equal -3 plus -L r square by N minus F plus -M r square by N. So G value 2, L value 3, R square value 4, cap N value is -4. So minus minus cancel, 4 cancel, -2 plus 3 equal 1. Similarly, y value -3 plus -5, R square value 4 by -4. Minus minus cancel, 4 cancel, -3 plus 5 that equal to 2. These two lines are conjugate lines with respect to this circle. Then find the value of r square. Conjugate lines condition is r square L1 L2 plus M1 M2 equal to N1 N2. R square L1 L2 3 into 2 equal to 6 plus M1 into M2 2 into 5 equal to 10 equal to N1 into N2 -3 into -1 equal to 3. So R square value is 3 by 16. 3 by 16. 6, 8, K2 are inverse points with respect to this circle. Then find the value of 2k. Given these two are the inverse points. Inverse points are also conjugate points. So conjugate points condition is yes 1 2 equal to 0, x1 x2 plus y1 y2 equal to -25 equal to 0. x1 value 6 into x2 value k, 8 into 2 -25 equal to 0. 6k equal to 6k plus 16 -25 equal to 0. 6k equal to 9. So k equal to 9 by 6, 3 by 2. He wants the value of 2k. So 2k equal to 2 into 3 by 2. So that value is 3. Next, inverse point of P with respect to this circle. Center of the circle is 2, 3. We know the condition point and its inverse point and the center of the circle are collinear points. So, by verification, P point 1, 2, center 2, 3, let it be Q point 0, 1. Verify the collinear condition. So, slope of PC equal to y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 1 by 1 equal to 1. Slope of a CQ y2 minus y1, 1 minus 3 by 0 minus 2, minus 2 by minus 1 equal to 1. So slope of PC equal to slope of CQ. So the 3 points are collinear. So remember, given point, center of the circle and the inverse point, 3 points are collinear points.